Hey guys, welcome to Wrench and Repeat. Today I'm going to be doing the front sway bar end links on this 1994 Pajero. This is the 2800 Field Master Limited Edition, so it's the 4M40. Very similar to a Montero. In fact, these sway bar links are from a Montero and they're exactly the same. So this procedure also will transition to a Montero. Yeah, I went out wheeling the other day and snapped one of them. You might be able to see here in the front. So we will be changing that. We'll be doing them on both sides. The replacement I'll be using is these Mevotech Supremes. I got them off Rock Auto. They're about 25 bucks each, pretty cheap. I've used some of the Mevotech stuff before and it's decent. It might not have quite the life of an OEM, but for how cheap they are, it's worth it. There's the part number, MS80820, and it's a pretty simple procedure. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so I'll show you how to do the sway bar end links. I don't know if you can see that. This one I already removed the bottom because basically I was doing the ball joints and stuff and I was just going to make it easier. So that one's a 14 mil and she's off, and now we do the one in the back. So the one in the back is a 17 mil. There's not a ton of room to get at it, so I'm having to use a wrench and it's on there pretty good. So there we go. Broke it loose. So you can see this is the new one. There's a bit in the back there, so you can hold that with an Allen to help you turn the bolt on. Let's see what size it is. Looks like a 5. So this one is coming off pretty easy. There you go. Here's the old one. Pretty stiff. Oh, wow. Here's a new one. So I would recommend doing the bottom one first because it's got no movement in it, so it's a little bit harder to get on. So that's that 14 mil one, and I believe it's this guy. Oh no, sorry, this one. So pop that on. Don't torque it down yet. So now you'll have to use your jack, either jack up the arm or jack up the sway bar itself. Just enough to get it in there. Like so. There. She's in. New nut on the back. So the top one is 69 foot-pounds and the bottom one is 25 foot-pounds. I don't know how you would get a torque wrench on there, so I'm just gonna go until it feels tight. The bottom one's easy to torque. 69 and 25. Okay, and it's done. Do the same thing on the other side. Thanks for watching, guys.